What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So according to the latest news and updates, the new Samsung Galaxy S23 and new iPhone 14 Pro will break all records in their own smartphone history. Yes, this year not only Samsung is going to break all records, but also Apple is going to change its trends and camera technology. The race of megapixels goes with direct application of Samsung. It is she who is at the forefront of those who began to produce high-resolution image sensors. And it is she who has a 200 megapixel sensor in her portfolio. It is known that Xiaomi and Vivo are eyeing on record-breaking sensors that they want to install in their mid-range devices. And what about Samsung itself? This is definitely not such a sensor in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. In the new flagship, they decided to squeeze the maximum potential out of the 108 megapixel sensor. But this year, the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra may well get a 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP1 sensor. Yes, according to the latest news data, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will receive a 200 megapixel camera. The flagship camera will allow you to shoot video in 4K and 8K formats with a wide viewing angle. This prediction can be completely trusted because it was made by a well-known insider of the ICE Universe network who has been accurate in his predictions more than once. Recall, ISOCELL HP1 was introduced in September and is the world's first mobile camera sensor with a resolution of 200 megapixel. The size of each megapixel is 0.64 micron, and in normal mode, images are output at a resolution of 50 megapixels. Pixel binding has been implemented here, where 16 neighboring pixels are combined into one large size of 2.56 microns. And this allows you to take high quality 12.5 megapixel photos in low ambient light conditions. ISOCELL HP1 can record 8K video at 30 fps and 4K at 120 fps. On the other hand, iPhone 14 Pro will receive a record megapixel sensor in iPhone history. Yes, according to the latest news, the new iPhone 14 Pro will receive a 48 megapixel high resolution camera and a new generation of Apple A16 Bionic chipset. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will receive an under-display camera. That's said UDC. UDC means under-display camera. This technology still has to come of age before being deployed in a device as important to Samsung as the Galaxy S23 that will be officially launched in 2023. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.